right now we're going to discuss Camtasia or video editing using Camtasia. So this version that I'm using right now is 8.6, but the latest one is we have Camtasia 2021, and the new release will be by, I think, by July 2022. So for today's discussions, we are going to tackle about video and audio editing, video and audio effects. Also, we will discuss the screen recording and a green screen background effects. Okay, to start with, this is the environment of Camtasia. So we have here the timeline. This is the major, this is the working environment, the timeline. We will put all the durations in the timeline with the given specific layers. And we have here the clip bin for the, I will open the Camtasia. So this is the environment. So the clip bin, whatever media that you have imported, either a video or an image, it will be directly displayed or placed in a clip bin. And we also have here some library. In the library, there is a compilation of music and themes. Music, like there are some full song, for example. Then we have the intro, long, and then there are some, okay. So this music, wait, how to stop this? Okay. To stop, okay, just click anywhere, then it will automatically stop. Okay, and then we also have here themes. For the theme, we have here the animated title, and we also have here the basic one. Okay, so these are the sample. And to import the media, all you have to do is to click this and select the media or the image or video that you want to include or to import. Yeah. And lastly, we have here produce and share. So in produce and share, we have, I need to put one more. Okay, so we have here a different file format. So we have the MP4 for 480 pixel, 720, 1080. And then also we have for the smart player, and 480, 720, 1080. So these are the options. Like for example, if you want to have a wide screen for the video, for the MP3, so basically you have to select 1080. But for the smaller one, for the web, you can just select 480. Okay. And we have here the track, or these are what we call also a layer. And we have the timeline. So this will be our working environment here, the timeline. And if you want to add a track, so all you have to do is to click plus. Something like this. Okay? Then to start, let's go with our first activity. I already recorded this discussion. So what I did is that at home, I already pre-recorded all the activities. Okay. So from the library itself, so we have a different type of music, like what I have said before. Yeah. When we say full, it's a full song. And then we have here an intro and then a long. Yeah. will explore. So these are the animated theme for animated title, and then we have here also a basic one. A basic title is that it's not animated, it's just only a background. And we have also some call outs. So these are the example of the theme available in Camtasia.
So these are the default options?
Yeah, those are it's already embedded. Those are in the library. So instead of downloading some animated background from the YouTube, there are also some available animated background from Camtasia. Now, if you think that this one is not basically, if you don't need those animated background, then that's the time that you need to download some animated background from YouTube. Okay. So to start, I get this one, end of line, as my theme. So what I did is that Camtasia is drag and drop. So you can drag and draft, or another option is that you can right click and then add to timeline. Something like this one. Okay? Then add to timeline. Then automatically it will go place, or it will display directly to the timeline. So this is the example, or this is the theme that we have selected. Okay. Now we have to edit the text in the animated theme. All you have to do is to drag it, double click, just double click that one, and then the text call out will automatically display. And in here, in Camtasia, the working environment for the text, it's in here. You cannot type here. Not compared in PowerPoint that we can automatically type in the working area. In Camtasia, no, you cannot type it here. So you can only type and do some text editing format inside here. Wait. What happened? Here in the text formatting bar. Okay. So we have here the bold, italics, all the basic text formatting. It's also available in the Camtasia. Okay. It's almost the same in PowerPoint. But in Camtasia, we're always dealing with the timeline. Okay. So it's very long. Okay, the video, it's a bit long. So later we have to adjust. Okay, now we have to add the intro. So right click, add to timeline, then that music will automatically place in the timeline. Again here, the music is beyond the frame of the animated background. So we have to adjust. To edit or to cut the video, all you have to do is to drag it back. Okay. It will now be shortened, the length of the music. Okay. For audio and video editing, it's very simple because all you have to do is just to drag it and then it will automatically cut. Okay. Next here is that we will add a plain background. So it's a basic title. So you have to just drag it down. I am trying to type in the page, but it will not. It will not. You cannot type it. You can only type here in the working area. So this will be our topic for today, as I written there. So we have the screen recording. I will move it a little bit forward. Okay. So we already have here the text. So the thing here is that the audio is up to the introduction page, but not on the second page. Now we will add an audio. So we need to add another track and put the audio up. So it will, then we will stretch again the audio so that it will occupy both the background, both the intro page and the following or the next page. Okay. Okay, now we were going to add some transition. The available transitions in Camtasia, it's almost similar with the basic transition in PowerPoint. All you have to do is just to get one transition and drag it down. Okay. So this time is we have to edit the audio. So there are two ways to edit the audio. One is to just drag it up and drag it down. So now the audio is it's increasing. The transition is fade out, fade in and fade out. Okay. Now we have to, because the intro it's very, the music it's on the high pitch itself at first. So we have to add fade in and fade out. So this is the fade in and fade out. Then the audio will cut. Okay, the audio will start at the lower, then up to peak, then it will go down. Okay, so this is for the first one. Then our second, So this will be our second activity. Okay. So before, we already have added some text. Now we have to add some photos. It's actually a continuation. Okay. So for example, again, we add one text or another page. For example, it's a cartoons background. Okay. So again, to reduce the durations, all you have to do is just to shrink the photo. Okay. So for the background, what I did here is just copy and paste the frame. After this activity, the second one, we will try, or you will try on how to work in Camtasia. Okay. This one is using a green screen effect. No? But that not in Camtasia, it's in Photoshop. So again, you have to get some transition, drag and drop. I will make it forward. Okay. So now is we have to add another audio. Okay. Okay. So to edit the audio, as I discussed a while ago, you can volume down or volume up. Okay. Okay. Now the audio is a bit longer than the photos, so we have to again to shrink the audio. Then add fade in and fade out. Ano? What?
Is this included?
What?
You will teach us.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, I will teach this one. Sorry. The background.
Crop the picture.
I know. Cropping the photo like this. This, I did in Photoshop. So, this is in Photoshop. But it's also possible in Camtasia. Possible. Yeah, in Camtasia. Then later I will discuss how to the green screen effect in Camtasia. Okay? So this is for our activity 3. Then activity 2, then we'll go to 3. So this one is okay. Wait lang. Okay. So this is for the trailer. This is the actual video that we are going to do some editing. So in here we have three trailers. One is the main trailer. Like for example, this is the main trailer. Okay. And then after this trailer, we have here 2 more trailers, but the audio of the first trailer is synchronized up to the last end. Okay? Okay. To do that, okay. Okay. Okay, to start is that we have to, this is a bit interesting one. The first 2, it's a bit boring. Okay, this one is, all we have to do is to drag again the trailer, and then we have to separate, we have to separate the audio from video. That is one of the good thing in Camtasia. Like for example, you have the audio, you have the entire trailer, you have the entire video, but then all you want to do is, or to get, is the video. You can separate the audio from the video. Okay, so to do that is like this. All you have to do is to right click the video and click separate video and audio. Okay, then start. So that is now the upper part is the audio, and then the lower is the video. So now we edit the video, but we retain the length of the audio. Okay? Okay? I add another theme here, or page. So this one will be the background. Remember, at the end we have the like and subscribe background. So that is our background. That what do you call that? Calling light background. Then we have to add another 2 trailer. Our main trailer here is the Jurassic World. Then our another 2 more trailers are Avatar and Resident Evil. But the length of 2 trailers are a little bit shorter compared with the main trailer, which is the Jurassic Park or Jurassic World. So we will separate again the video and audio from our second trailer, because in here we don't need the audio from Avatar trailer. So just delete. Okay, separate and delete. Then see. So no trailer for the avatar, but then no audio from the avatar, but the audio is coming from the Jurassic World audio. Okay? So, okay, wait, maybe you didn't see. So, as you can see from here, this is the Jurassic, then this is the Avatar. But the Avatar is, what do you call this? It's overlap, sorry. It's overlap with the Jurassic. So, all you have to do is to shorten or resize the video of Avatar. See. Okay. Tap it. Then we'll go to the clip bin and we have to add to timeline Resident Evil. The same procedure, we are going to separate the audio from the video. And then later on, we have to delete the audio. And this is now the background, or this is the video of Resident Evil. Now we have to resize and make it as the same size with Avatar. The Resident Evil and Avatar will run simultaneously, so that in the duration, as you can see, they are in the same timeline. Okay, so this time we have to, I think, we have to add text. Okay. Then for the other text, what I did is that I just copied and paste. Okay, when you copied and paste, the transition, fade in and fade out, is also included. I will move a little bit forward. Okay. Okay. The viewing part is always in this line. Whenever your line, like for example, if you will put your line outside this text, you cannot see it. So all you have to do, like maybe later on, you have to move it there. Yeah. Okay. Then do some arrangement. So now there are 4 layers simultaneously run in one timeline. Okay? So this is for okay. Okay. So now for our activity, so can you open your Camtasia? Okay. So file new, because there is already a default sample. So can you click file new? Yeah, file new project, sorry. And then import media. Di saan nakalagay yun?
D drive.
Ha? D? D drive, D. D and then Camtasia. Sample activity for participants. Yeah. Then we have here trailer. So can you open Avatar, Jurassic, and Resident Evil? Import media. Yeah, what? And some. Yeah. One by one, I guess. Yeah. Drag. Oh, yan. Select yan. Yeah, together. Okay? So, this is what you will do. Can you try to do this? This one. In here, sorry. Okay, try to do this activity. So it's almost the same. So your main, or if you want, you can change either. So you have a main trailer, one trailer, and then you have a 2 small trailer at the end. Do you have a headphone? A headset? It's fine, sir. You can try. Yeah. So you can edit the audio. What?
At the video.
Your video. Okay, you put this one up, then this one up. Yeah, because that is your base. Yeah, that is your base. Yeah, correct. Now, if you want to add another one, it's the same thing. You have headset. Try to adjust it. Try to do the audio. So you can hear the animated background. So there should be in one timeline. So to remove the green screen background, you just go to, to tools, and then visual properties, remove a color. Okay? Tools, visual properties, remove a color. And then from the tolerance itself, you have to adjust. By the way, you will see here. Okay? You need to adjust in the tolerance. Okay, another one, it's the same. I only adjust the background because there's a bit of smoke here. Okay, then, okay, I will, what happened? I wait. Okay, this one. Okay, this one, another thing. I cut the video because it's a big one, and I want only that to capture only the sword. Okay. And then I will forward a little bit. Then I add this photo, a still photo. Then the same thing, no? To delete the green screen, you have to go to Tools and Visual Properties, remove a color. We already have the default here, so you have just to adjust the tolerance. If you want, you can also try to adjust the, what's that? I cannot read the others, but I usually adjust only the tolerance. Okay, now for your activity, you can try to do this. Wait,
Hi, welcome to Exotic Car TV. Few weeks, Car TV.
This one. Okay, there is an available. Okay, this thing. Okay, the background. You can check on the D again. Okay. Yeah. From Drive D, import media. I think what's the file? I forgot the file. Import media. Yes, sir.
Last one.
Yes, what, sir?
This is the first activity which you have.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Just check this one.
Okay.
I have made one background.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine. Yeah. So you did simultaneously the phone. Yeah. It's good. Yeah, it's okay, sir. It's good. It's very good.
Here, all these last two slides, is it necessary to keep in different tracks, or can I keep it in a back, side by side?
It's up to you, sir. If you want to lower the track, you can just put this one down. Yeah. But that one, it's not, because if it is run simultaneously, you have to put it up.
So
Yeah.
this will run
Yeah.
simultaneously.
Yeah. Because if you're going to put it on the other side, it will wait until it, yeah. Yeah, correct.
And how to save this?
To save, file, save as project. Yeah, file, save project. Yeah. Yes, sir. Project. Any file name. Okay. And then after that, okay, sir. And then produce and share.
Produce and share.
Then click here.
Format which we require.
Then I usually select 1080, but for the web, maybe 720 or yeah. But usually I prefer 1080.
Okay.
And then next, and then the folder. Yeah, and then yeah, it's finished. So it will go to desktop. Then you have to wait for the rendering. Try to use this background. Okay? So this time, it's possible that this is the background or the video, it's at the back of our main video. So in here, wait. Makita.
Hi, welcome to Exotic Car TV, your guide to the world of limited production, world-class automobiles. This week, important announcements from...
So in here, what I did is that we have 3 video. One is for this one, the lady, and then we have the background, and we have here the another video inside the television. So it is we called it overlay. I think it's overlay, right? Yeah, I use this one as an overlay. I know it's outer lay. Sorry, I'm confused. This is outer lay, the television, because it is outside or at the back, the main video. Try to use this template. Yeah, that one. Yeah, and then this one you have to remove the green screen from tools. I know, not all. Then the video will be at the back. You get the point. And then you have to resize the video. Yeah, that one. Or any reporter. Okay. So, let's start now for the screen recording. So for the screen recording, we have here record the screen. So if you want, actually this one is for the lecture, it's very good. And also for the one who will do some presentation, this is very much applicable. So for screen recording, all you have to do is to record the screen. When you record the screen, you have two options. You have the full and you have the custom. So custom, if you want 720, 480, or you can select for this resolution. But usually, I used to select full screen. And then you have also option for the audio. If you want, you can use webcam. Like for example, we will open my webcam. So here. Okay. And then for the audio is on. Then later you will see that once you record the screen, you will produce two audio. One audio from the computer and one audio is from the outside. Okay? So like for example, this one. Okay, let's start. So we are starting the recording. Then I will add some from it. We'll add some trailer so that there is an audio. Okay. This trailer already have the audio.
Joy can be a miracle pill. An antidepressant that
Okay.
cures OCD.
Then to stop the video capturing, all you have to do is to click stop. You have here delete and then pause. Then stop. Okay. So we are starting the recording. Okay, then like for example, then save and edit, or if you want produce. When you say produce, it will automatically produce it as a movie. Okay. Then save. Then once it's saved, it will automatically capture the two audio. One is the system audio, and then the other one is I think this one, the first one is the outside audio. So we are starting. I will add some. We'll add some trailer so that there is an audio. A while ago, by the way, I forgot to change the resolution. So instead of 1080, I didn't notice I have selected the custom 520. So that's the reason why the screen is so small. So if you have selected 920 by 1080, it will be bigger like this. So can just adjust. Okay, and then it's the same thing. This trailer already have the audio.
Joy can be a miracle pill. An antidepressant that
Okay, so now we have to delete. Then we'll add. So if you want to remove the captured screen audio, let's see. Ay, sorry. I deleted the video. Sorry.
Joy can be a miracle pill.
So the outside audio is already deleted. Okay. So now, if you want to delete the system audio, let's try. I will add some again. But from here, it's already deleted. And then to save, produce and share. Usually I selected MP4 1080. You can also try the video or the screen recording. So we are starting the recording. Saan yun? I will add some. Oh, yeah. Is there any questions? Question? No. Okay, I think we have to close or to end this discussion. Okay. Thank you for coming.